from the lodge. Very wet afternoon. Started raining about 11:30ish, 11:45, and it's just got heavier and heavier as the time has ticked on. But I came in this morning and had a walk around before it rained. And I've been sitting in the clubhouse hide, just doing little bits of videos and some pictures from here. Since, you know, it's nice sitting here anyway in the rain, I don't mind it. It doesn't bother me. And sometimes you get some nice pictures in the rain. So yeah, it's what it is, and you make do with it, don't you? So yeah. So as I say, I've done some videos and some pictures, and you will see the pictures and videos in a minute. I'll put them up at the end so you can see what I've been doing. It was just silly bits of videos, black-headed gull, Egyptian goose, two other bits and pieces, can't remember what I took now, and a few pictures as well of tits on sticks. So yeah, but it's really chucking down out there. I turn you around and show you, but I don't think the GoPro will look that far. So yeah, but it is really heavy at the moment out there. So I don't know if you can hear it on the microphone. So if you can hear me on the microphone, because the microphone's going in the wrong direction. Let's move it around that way. There we go. But yeah, it is heavens hard out there, as they say. Now, let me see if I can show you. Hold tight for a bit of jerkiness. There we go. I don't know if you can see that out there, but that is wet. Definitely a bit on the old wet side out there. But it is what it is, isn't it? You know. Let's go around this way. I mean, the birds don't mind it. They've got the ducks down here as well. The old mallards are out there. Having a shower. One out there having a bit of a tidy up and a bit of a shower. So yeah. But you can see in the if I tip that down like that, you can see how much it's raining in the puddle on the roof out there. So yeah. Oops, gone the wrong way. I get this blooming joystick right one of these days. But there you go. Right, let's bring it back round to me. Very carefully. There I am. Yeah, so there you go. That's what it's like out here this afternoon. And it's, what's the time? Just about 12:30 now. So, I was going to do a guided tour this afternoon, but I mean, personally myself, I wouldn't worry about the rain and go out and just do it anyway. But the people I was taking round said no, it's a bit too wet, so they're not going to come round. So I've rebooked them in for Monday afternoon. So yeah, when the chap I was talking to said it was going to be sunnier, I said, yeah, I don't care, whatever. So yeah. Birds don't go away in the rain, do they? They're all still here, so. And as I say, sometimes it'd be quite nice in here in the rain. I shouldn't tell you this, but it don't get a lot of customers in the rain usually, so you can have the reserve to yourself. It's back like the old days when I first joined, back in 2007. It was like this. I'd come in, it'd be a brilliant day some days, you know, and you think, might be loads of people in. No, nobody, just me. Oh, and Jeff usually turned up if he wasn't off doing a Twitch somewhere. So yeah, but I don't mind, as I say, I don't mind being on my own. I was a lorry driver for too many years, when you get used to your own company. Perhaps that's why I waffle a lot now. Okay, so whilst I'm having technical difficulties, I will say thanks for watching, and I'll catch up with you another time. Stay to the end, see the video and pictures, and thanks for watching. And don't forget, yeah, give it that thumbs up, and subscribe, and like, hit the bell icon. So yeah, okay, to say, thanks for watching. Sorry about the technical difficulties there, don't quite know what was going on. So bye for now.